Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to install the KDE Desktop of NixOS. So I have started up the virtual machine and the installer is now ready for the installation. So this is the live KDE desktop that is being booted up. Now we will start the video. Before going ahead with the installation, if you click here on this known issues tab or the button of NixOS installer, you will be directed to the bug reports and the bug page of NixOS packaging. So I will it will open up in 1 minute. Yes. So this is the GitHub page of the NixOS Nix packaging. So here you can see all the issues that are going up, the pull requests, the actions, the projects that are going on in the NixOS project, and you can check out if there are some critical bugs. So what happens is when you are doing an installation of any NixOS virtual machine in any infrastructure project or some critical development project, the installer must be assured that there is no critical bug. So the installation will be successful, and then we can start up the development environment in the NixOS. Or it is an infrastructure project, then the infrastructure support should be there. Otherwise there is of no use to install the virtual machine or the NixOS on a bare metal in the first place. So if it is very critical bug, we need not go ahead with the installation. We stop and we wait for the critical bug to be resolved, and then only we can start with the installation. So this is the methodology, or this is how this known bugs can be used for our advantage. Known issues or known bugs can be used for our advantage. So now let us start with the installation. Here you have to select the plasma desktop. So there is a different live DVD or the live ISO for each of the GNOME and plasma desktop, but other desktops can also be selected, and you can use any of those ISOs to install any of the desktops in NixOS. So I will just go with the next, allow unfree software, do manual partitioning. We go with the GPT style partitioning. Select FAT32, select the mount point as boot EFI. In formatted space, this will be the BIOS grub partition. This will be a swap partition, and the rest is the root partition. You have to just check the partition summary, and then you have to click on install. So the installation has started. Now we wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so the installation is now complete. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will do the review of the KDE Desktop of NixOS. See you in the next video. Bye.